Get off the fucking ceiling. Zombie? Cool. Hi, zombie. Oh my god, I'm gonna get... Are you fucking kidding me, game?
Now, that's gonna get a fucking kill, dude, for sure. Yeah, they're underneath on the side you, Constantine, yeah.
Cool.
Oh. Oh. I fucking told you, though. Uh-oh!
Is that both?
Yeah!
Tagged him. I don't know how close the other one is. Okay.
The other one's
okay.
fucking...
Yep.
Okay, you want to double tap the barrel?
Oh god, I don't see it. Dude, beautiful. Okay.
Is that both?
Where? Were they? Yes, it is.
Ah!
Unless it's a zombie body.
Ah!
Dude.
Fuck off. What? One? Oh my god.
Beautiful. Ready? Other one's on me. Okay.
Get her.
Dude, I'm trying to get up there. Holy shit.
Got her.
Where's the other one?
The other one's the Avto. I was over here.
Nice fucking shot, dude.
Fucking.
Hit him again. By this wood pile. Back this way, to the right.
Got him.
Nice, dude.
Ground level. He's got
They just rezzed him.
I'm at 50 health. How am I not dead?
He's
Can't even see him through the smoke.
Fuck you, bitch.
Over here.
What the fuck just happened? Behind us. This way.
Love it.
I don't have Vulture. Does anybody?
No.
Nah.
Alright. I'll get this. I'll get these two.
Wow. Okay.
There's a trap.
Yeah. I had nowhere to heal in there. I could have ran back. Fuck. Nice. Throwing? Who's throwing? Oh, he got the banish?
He's on fire and he ran out this way.
Good shit.
Yep.
You are weapons free.
Got her.
Nice. Let me try and get up
I
behind
think I
him.
killed her.
Yeah, it sounded like you did.
Shit.
Nice shot.
Oh, that's about right. Yep, I see him.
Push him.
Fuck. Right there, on my ping.
Nice shot.
Nice shit.
There, give me.
Oh, yeah, you're right. They're both inside still, it sounds like. Oh! Nice.
Fucking shot.
Yeah.
Really?
That's Spectre Bayonet uppercut.
Got her.
Nice kill. It's another one on the body.
I got 13
This window's open.
coins or whatever the fuck these are.
Yeah, you gotta stick those in the old snake microwave. Oh, nope. Sorry.
Little snake microwave.
Oh, God, it's
Right next to
Wow.
you? Oh, fuck.
Hey, nice.
no
you did
fucking
it.
Shit.
There's What's that?
Jason. Jason should be able to get me.
Should. Hold on.
Nice.
Oh, God. Really? Oh, shit. I got 2 down over here. Sean.
I'm gonna get into this.
I need to get
This
up
shit.
in the hug distance.
Yeah, you do. God damn it.
Got her.
Alright, push. Good shit, dude.
This is easy.
Inside, he's inside. It's on fire. I hit him again. Hit him? Alright, I'm gonna choke his bud.
Yeah, I do. There's one by the fucking shed, I think. Yep.
Get. Throwing. Coming up on us. Got him.
Watch out, right next to you, careful. Oh, yeah, okay.
Me. Love it. Just. It'd be neat if on night maps, if like supply carts, like if you could switch out items and you could like grab fusies and shit. Wait, did someone just turn the fucking thing off?
Yep. Square left, I think.
Oh god. Bees. Careful. I gotta reload. Is he upstairs still?
Got her. Wait.
Oh, dude. Meter snake shot. I don't know. I had to kill that hive. Oh shit, dude. Oh god, I'm dead. I'm dead. Nice shot. Right there, right there. Head of the field now. Yeah, if you can get to flat ground, you should be able to see them.
They're coming toward me. I won. I'm making a bunch of noise out here, so.
Yeah, I'm watching that window.
Oh, wow.
You rotated west or east. Once bitten. Yeah, I wondered. We only had one pickup. Good fucking shot. Good shot, dude.
Okay.
Oh, maybe he's not inside. Did he push that way? Okay, yeah, as long as you remember where the body is and get an angle on it. I got no more heals after this one, but... Wait, I
Got her.
was gonna say he got the res, yeah.
Oh, yep, there's 3.
Yeah, one rotated all the way around.
Where's Jason? Are you anywhere near me? Because I am pinned down by 2 behind a tree.
He also has a Winfield. Nice shot.
Nice.
Putting more in front of
He's
that
coming.
door,
He's coming.
too.
Yeah, there's two, Perry. Two.
Got him.
Two.
Yep. He's got a crossbow.
Got her.
I'm healing.
Shit,
I'll
good
be in
shit.
in 1 second. Pushing up.
Ah, bitch!
Alright, I'm gonna choke her.
Yeah, dude.
Nice.
Goes on the roof. I would like if he climbed this ladder.
Like that.
Exactly like that.
Get some pressure.
Hold on, I see one.
Dude.
Just push. Other side, down here.
Yeah. Womp womp.